So here we stand at the end of yet another decade. Although some might argue that the next one won't start until 2021, whenever it begins, the clock is ticking and there really is no time to waste when it comes to innovation. Hello there, welcome to the #1 channel for innovators, marketers, and entrepreneurs. And welcome to what certainly will one day be described as the real roaring 20s. Naturally, there will be many reviews of the past year as we close 2019 out. But when it comes to innovation, 1 year is simply not enough. That's because true innovation remains quite rare despite all the buzz surrounding the topic. So let's take a look at some of the innovations of the past decade. The first significant innovation of 2010 was the launch of the Parrot drone at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. That was followed by Apple's iPad, which sparked a renaissance of the then moribund tablet market. Square's wireless credit card reader followed in May of that year, offering an innovative way for recording magnetic stripe data via the iPhone's headphone port. In 2011, IBM's Watson computer beat Ken Jennings on the American TV game show Jeopardy! However, Watson was preceded by yet another IBM AI effort called Deep Blue, which defeated Garry Kasparov, the world chess champion, way back in 1997. Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency innovation, launched the fintech revolution that captivates us all today. But Bitcoin's greatest contribution is its underlying blockchain technology that promises to revolutionize many markets. In January 2011, Starbucks introduced an in-house developed electronic payment system. As any loyal Starbucks customer will tell you, it greatly simplifies buying coffee to this day. That year, Uber launched its revolutionary ride-sharing service, which has disrupted the taxi business worldwide. The Tesla Model S officially launched in June 2012. The Model S is a revolutionary car that has caused major waves across the entire automobile industry. In 2013, T-Mobile kicked off its innovative Un-carrier marketing campaign, which ultimately led to T-Mobile One, a plan that eliminates hidden fees and taxes. I applaud this move and hope that other marketers will adopt this straightforward and transparent practice. Amazon's Echo speaker brought us the Alexa voice assistant in April 2015, which has become a true cultural phenomenon. That same month, Apple launched the Apple Watch, which has outsold the entire Swiss watch industry by volume in 2019. Also in 2015, Veritas Genetics became the first company to sequence the entire human genome for less than $1,000 while delivering its results to a smartphone. Nintendo reinvented itself after its Wii U stumble with the Switch, launched in 2017. The Switch is innovative because it's a convergence device, a concept I've discussed before in this digital lifestyle video, which allows the user to play games both in a console setting as well as functioning as a portable device. In 2018, Celebrity Cruises launched the Celebrity Edge Magic Carpet, a convergence of an entertainment and boarding platform which earned the Celebrity Edge the Best Cruise Ship of the Year honors. This year, Skydio introduced a self-tracking drone under $1,000 that features 6 4K cameras that can track a subject while intelligently avoiding obstacles while flying. A remarkable innovation. And let's not forget the 2 remarkable innovations launched by Beyond Meat and Impossible Burger, which help push the food envelope. So what will 2020 bring us? As I suggested in my opening, the 20s are going to be a decade of non-stop uproar. And this uproar will be caused by several cataclysmic trends. As I mentioned in my Fountain of Youth Ubertrend video, one will be caused by the 50% of baby boomers realizing they have no money for retirement, no way to pay their excessive healthcare costs, and that lower taxes on the rich have bled the treasury so dry it's unable to pay for Social Security, dashing their last hope. I don't like to dwell too much on the negative, but as a futurist, it's my duty to warn you of the impending massive civil unrest in the decades ahead. Just imagine some 35 million boomers roaming the streets looking for food and in acute need of healthcare. Are visions of the movie Road Warrior dancing in your head? Then there's the skyrocketing cost of global warming. It's quite evident that the seas are warming, which will cause a major disruption in the seafood chain. Similarly, the uncanny combination of droughts and floods in all the wrong places will result in unreliable supplies of standard food staples such as corn, rice, and wheat, leading to price fluctuations that will cause further unrest. As nature's seafood chain is increasingly disrupted by the millions of tons of plastic that end up in our oceans, the world is on the threshold of massive fish kills that will shake the very foundations of our entire food chain. Just take a look at this photo of Henderson Island in the South Pacific, where 18 million tons of debris lie scattered on its beaches. It's a sad sight to behold. Again, I don't want to bring you down, but it's critical that you understand that when I say that we need more innovation now, I really mean it. World leaders from government to business to education will have to start to proactively play a role in helping reverse these negative tides. I know that many of you are questioning my dystopian views of the future. However, I take my cues from the writers of science fiction. In the go-go days of the 1980s, when we first got an inkling of these unseemly perspectives thanks to such movies as Alien, Blade Runner, and Road Warrior, that warped future seemed highly unlikely. Fast forward 30 years, and it's clear that our world is regressing exactly as foretold. So what can you do? If you are a startup, think about some of the challenges lying ahead and focus your effort on some of the world's biggest priorities. If you're in an ongoing business, think of ways to reinvent your processes and products to support efforts that halt the soaring costs of healthcare, the inefficiency of government, and the ineffectiveness of American education. And above all, packaging waste. I applaud the efforts of a London-based sustainable packaging startup that has developed Uho, a flexible packaging for beverages and sauces. It's made from notpla, as its name implies, not plastic, but a material made from seaweed and plants. I'm sure you are aware that this holiday season, Amazon alone will overwhelm recycling centers with millions of tons of packaging waste. Here's a picture posted on Reddit from one apartment building that illustrates just how wasteful this process is. And that is just one building. Multiply that by 1 billion and you have the number of orders Amazon shipped during the 2016 holiday season. Silicon Valley, here's what you need to do. It's quite clear that you form the underpinning of every industry, governing body, and educational institution. It's incumbent on you to make your products easy to use for all involved. And please fix the horrific divisions you have caused in societies worldwide. Try to make your products simpler to use. And since I'm most familiar with digital marketing, please don't add to the roadkill pile of 7,000 digital marketing solutions that just blend together in a sea of utter sameness. Make a product that we can all rally around, something that is fun to use and helps us sign up the rest of the world for our innovation crusade. Remember, speaking about crusade, you can buy my Chuckle You Call That Innovation t-shirt from my website at ubercool.com. All proceeds go to pizza and champagne events that help promote innovation around the globe. I hope I shifted your brain into overdrive. If you like what you saw and heard, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified of each new video. I hope you people have a great day, a great year, and a great decade. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, most intrepid ones.